The November real estate stats are in, and the numbers are starting to show that the slowdown that the rise in interest rates we're hoping to achieve may be having an impact. But is the slowdown and price reduction good enough for the Bank of Canada to start lowering rates in 2024, or enough to give buyers some confidence? Let's look into the November 2023 stats for West Toronto and see. Months of supply is up from 2.4 to 2.5 for West TO in November. Not a huge increase, but an indication that we have houses coming to market while it's taking longer for others to sell. We did have very low sales numbers in November at 413 sales compared to 498 in October and 469 in November 2022. The average sale price across all home types in West Toronto is down to $957,000 from over $1 million last month. Don't panic or celebrate yet. We've seen the average price below $1 million in West Toronto a few times in the past 2 years. In 2023, we saw this happen in January, February, March, and August. And last year, we saw this in February, July, August, September, and December. If we start to see a trend of this average price holding below $1 million over the course of a few consecutive months, I will consider this an adjustment. Days on market are creeping up to 25 for November compared to 22 last month, as well as for last year at this time. I knew we would see this coming through in our November stats, though, as we started to see houses sitting on the market for longer starting in September of this year. Please keep in mind that the stat only covers the length of time to sell. It does not include the number of listings that did not sell at all and were terminated or suspended. The Bank of Canada held the rate again, and the big question is what will happen in 2024. We are starting to see more variable rate mortgages coming across mortgage brokers' desks right now. The 5-year today is at 5.04% to 7%. Let me tell you, if you're being quoted at 7%, please give me a call and let me connect you to a mortgage broker who can work a much better deal for you. Sales are down, average price is down, while average days on the market are creeping up. One area that I think needs some analysis is the number of condos that are on the market right now. In West Toronto alone, there are over 900 condos on the market, with 200 of those being vacant. There were 446 condos listed in November, which is a massive amount. In comparison, in October, we saw 178 active listings and 262 new condo listings. I suspect that we are seeing investors offloading their investments. Condo prices are still holding at where we saw them in October and above where they were last year at this time, but with an increasing number of active condo listings on the market, there could be a shift in price coming. It's an excellent time to be in the condo market if you are looking to buy. We are seeing a slight decrease in the detached home prices for November. And after the large increase in interest rates, this decrease in price just isn't enough to offset the increase in mortgage payments that people are seeing, which I suspect is impacting the market, particularly for first-time buyers. If you're in the market to purchase, it's a great time to start looking. There may be opportunity in properties that have motivated sellers. The market traditionally takes a bit of a nap over the next few weeks, but there may be opportunities in ones that are listed. And if you're thinking of selling, January and February are excellent times to be preparing your home for the spring market. If you need feedback on how to best do this, feel free to reach out.